Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this short video, I will show you how to download and install the OSN Plus app to your Android TV, even if you do not have the Google Play Store app installed. This is quite easy. All you have to do is on your Android TV, go over to your browser. Now, your browser is going to work as long as your TV has an Android operating system. So what you have to do is go out to a search box and type in the name application, which in this case is OSN Plus. So here's over here, OSN Plus. So just click on it and you're going to get results like this. So here's the website to the app. We don't need the website, we need the application. So what you have to do, just scroll down a little bit and you're going to see the application here. And you can install it from the Google Play Store version of your web store. Now, I do not have Google Play Store app installed, and I use the web version of my Android TV to install the application from here. And if your TV is an Android TV, once you install it, if the application is designed to work on your TV, it is going to adapt or it's going to change its theme to suit your TV. So that's what you do to install application. Just click on install, and I'm going to start installing. And if for some reason that first option doesn't work, you can always check for third-party sites like this in which you can install the application. Even though I don't 100% recommend third-party sites, but they can come in handy if the first option doesn't work. But for me, the first option is the best, and it works already on my Android TV. Like and subscribe for more important videos like this.